note. So today's story, so let us read and we come to know what it is. So before that, you can see the pictures here. Look at these students. What is going on in them? Who is breaking the rules of the examination hall? Who is breaking the rules of the examination hall? Circle and tell. So you can see the story is regarding that only. So how here the name of a boy is Oliver. How he is appearing for the exam and what and all happens here. Let's know by reading the story, children. So let me start here. You follow the lines when I am reading. Children, next Monday we are going to have a special test to check your reading skills. The teacher, as he enters the classroom, he is saying to the children, he is announcing, children, next Monday we are going to have a special test to check your reading skills. The students who scores the highest marks shall be awarded by the new chairperson of our school. So, the teacher will announce that the student who scores the highest marks shall be awarded by the new chairperson of the school. The teacher announced as he entered the classroom. There was excitement among the boys. Everyone will be very happy to hear that. If you are getting out in your subjects, if anyone is awarding you, you will be so happy, no children. In the same way, here all the children were very happy to listen that they will be awarded by a new chairperson of their school. So then what happens? Then on Monday morning, everyone were all set for the exam. On Monday, everyone were all set for the exam. Everyone was curious to know the format of the question paper. Everyone were very curious to know the format of the question paper. Format means general design. They were so eager to know the format of the question paper there. So then what happens? The teacher will announce there. Attention children, the teacher said as he came in. Attention children, the teacher said as he came in. You will be given question paper having 20 questions and you have to answer all of them in 1 hour. So he will tell, you will be given 20 questions. So you have to answer to all of them within 1 hour. He will tell, within 1 hour you have to answer. So then what happens? The format was quite simple for children. The format was quite simple. 20 questions easily they can answer in 1 hour. So they felt very easy there to understand and they began to work upon their writing sheets. So then what happened? They began to work upon their writing sheets. Remember, you must not copy from your partner's writing sheet. Then the teacher will say, the teacher will warn the students. Okay, the teacher will warn that you must not copy from your partner's writing sheet. You should not copy from your partner's writing sheets. He said in a soft voice and walked to his desk. The teacher warned the children and he walked to his desk. Then what happened? So here Oliver, the name of the boy was Oliver. Oliver picked up his pencil and began to write. He finished the first 15 questions in no time. What he did? He picked up his pencil and finished 15 questions in no time because he was prepared. He learned everything he learned and came. So easily he was answering for that. So in no time he has answered 15 questions in no time. Okay. Just then a piece of paper landed on his desk. Then what happened? A piece of paper landed on Oliver's desk. It was landed on his desk. Oliver looked around. He found one of his friends. He found that it was one of his friends. His name was Chan. Okay. Oliver found that it was one of his friends. The friend's name was Chan. Okay. Chan looking at him pleadingly. Pleadingly means what? Emotional way of wanting something. So Chan wanted to ask something. So what it was? Oliver opened the note. So what it was written in that? It read, please tell me the answer of question 12. Please tell me the answer of question 12. Chang wrote in a piece of paper and he threw it on the Oliver's desk. Oliver, after reading that man, what he did, Oliver stared at Chang angrily. He was angry because Chang has threw a note like that. No, he felt very angry and he stared at him. And what he did, he shook his head in disagreement. He shook his head in disagreement. He folded the note and threw it back to Chang. He folded that note. He folded back and threw it back to Chang. He does not want to help him. Okay, he shook his head in disagreement, and also he does not want to answer anything, so he just folded and he threw that note back to Chang. Unfortunately, the teacher saw him throwing the folded note. Unfortunately, what happened when he was throwing back that folded note to Chang? The teacher saw him throwing that note. He walked to Chang's desk. Then what he did? The teacher walked to Chang's desk and picked up the note. Oliver, give me your paper and leave the room. I want you not to cheat, he shouted as he read the note. The teacher, he picked up the note from the Chang's desk. Oliver threw the paper, that bit of paper. He took that and he read that one, and he thought that Oliver is asking the help from Chang. Okay. So then what happened? He did not ask anything. He will tell Oliver to leave the room at once. He was angry that Oliver was keeping, he will think like that, and he will ask him to leave the room. He shouted at him as he read the note. He shouted at him. Oliver left the room with tears in his eyes. Oliver left the room in his, what he did? He left the room with tears in his eyes. He did not tell anything to the teacher. He just left the room. He got on his bicycle and rode slowly. What he did? He left the room and he got on his bicycle and rode slowly. His head was down. He was so lost in his thoughts that he did not realize where he was going. So his head was down. He was riding the cycle. His head was down. He did not know where he was going. He was having many thoughts, and then he did not realize actually where he was going. Before he could know, his bicycle bumped into an old man. So what happened? In all his thoughts, he was riding the cycle with children. Then what happened? All of a sudden, he bumped into an old man, knocking him down. He made him to fall down, knocking him down. And then, oops, sorry sir, Oliver said, I was not looking. Oops, suddenly he will see that he made an old man to fall on the street. So he will ask sorry for that man. Oliver said, I was not looking. It is alright my boy, but you should be careful on the road. So the old man, what he will say? It's alright my boy, you should be very careful on the road, said the old man, dusting his floor with his hands. Dusting his floors with his hand, he will say, you should be very careful on the road, he will say. Let me help you sir, Oliver offered. Let me help you sir, Oliver will ask. He looked quite upset as he talked. He looked quite upset as he talked. So the old man observed that one. So, and then what he will say here, my boy, you seem to be troubled. So the old man will say, my boy, you seem to be troubled. And what makes you walk out with the bicycle at this time, at this hour of the day? And then that old man will ask, what makes you walk with the bicycle at this hour of the day? I suppose you should be in the school, no? Why you are on the street? Why you are taking the bicycle at this hour of the day? You should be in the school, no? He will ask. The old man asked with concern. So he will observe that Oliver is upset. He can make out by seeing his face when the way he is talking. So the old man, with the concern, he will ask what happened. So let us see children in the next class. So what happens? Whether Oliver will be able to prove himself innocent or what happens?